listen and glisten at the words of one of our satisfied customers.
I didn't like my makeover.
Whatever.
If you don't buy from me, I'll drill a hole into your face.
I'm sold. I'll go with FrySmart.
What?
A decision has been made, and thus the superstore will be closing down shortly.
Ah, Wade, what are you doing? You can't just close us down like that!
So what do you think would look best on me?
I don't know. I think you'd probably look bad in anything.
Okay, so why do you spend so much energy trying to get me as a customer?
I don't know. Who want a spoon?
Didn't you die last episode? How are you alive now?
I don't know. Are you gonna buy anything?
Well, I really like that big drill. Can I buy it?
You can have this spoon.
Shop's closed because it's time to recover everyone and begin Cake at Steak. Welcome to the new Cake at Steak place. Let's begin. Wait, where's Ice Cube?
Yeah, I haven't seen her in a while.
Probably going on her evening stroll. Classic Icy.
Since when did she...
Oh, did I win the prize again?
Nope, you weren't even close. Tennis ball won the prize again.
Aw, but I thought I was going to win.
Maybe you would've if you didn't almost cause the world to end.
But the world didn't end, did it? Haha!
Okay, yeah. But just so you know, it could've... What is that?
This token gives you the power to permanently disband any team. All members of the team will be unable to team up with each other for the rest of the season.
Can I use it on Nickel?
No, he's not a team, he's a solo.
Darn!
Enough with the token talk. What's the cake this time?
If you're safe, you'll get a slice of steak.
Ooh, Steak at Steak.
Woobunch won the last challenge, so they get staked.
Could use some extra paprika.
Fred's also got immunity, I guess. So any votes against him don't count.
This steak will go great with my fries.
Out of everyone who actually could be voted for, Tennis Ball got the least dislikes.
Yay!
Out of 3, Needle, Nickel, and Book. The vote's constantly switching between the 3 of you. I wonder who got the most.
I hope it was Book.
Well, too bad, but it's the next save. Yeah!
Hey!
Yeah!
Hey.
It's down to Nickel and Needle, my former bunch buddies.
Bottom 2 again? But I wasn't even cross-teaming this time.
Oh, gulpsies! Well, I just know I'm going to win. Right, guys?
The fact you've made it this far is a miracle on its own.
Oh, Nickel, I hope you're safe.
Excuse me? He's not even on your team.
I know. I just really don't want you to be safe.
And the last one safe is... Needle!
Yes!
No! No, 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 no!
With over 14,000 dislikes, Nickel is eliminated! I should have seen this coming.
You really should've.
I know it's going to be hard to see me go.
It won't be.
But I want you all to win for me!
Can't all win for you.
I wish you all the best of luck. And TB, for sticking by my side, I give you my most prized possession.
I never stuck by...
Final 6! Yes, we are so good!
Don't speak so soon, Coiny. TB's token of disbandment could really mess everything up.
That's right. And out of the 3 other teams...
I'm by myself.
Out of the 2 other teams, it's time to disband one of them.
Please disband my team!
Oh gosh, which one of these iconic dynamic duos should I forever split up?
Are you serious?
No, lol, I pick Wobunch. Bunch be gone!
Are you serious?
No, lol, I pick Wobunch. Bunch be gone! Oh gosh, which one of these iconic dynamic duos should I forever split up?
Are you serious?
No, lol, I pick Wobunch. Bunch be gone!
I guess this is as far as the bunch goes. We're on our own from now.
And may the best player win! Haha!
Weird.
So is anyone else gonna switch?
Me!
Why? You didn't like working with me?
I mean, I don't really like working with anyone.
But I helped you set up your business.
And for your efforts, I award you this.
Ooh, maybe I can team with Needle now.
I don't recommend it.
Okay, maybe not.
Ice Cube, where have you been? Are you...
Can we leave?
Huh?
Let's get out of this place.
But why do you want to...
OMG, thank Graphite someone said it. The WTF is a mess. I've been wanting to leave forever. Come on, guys.
Okay.
Yay!
But where would we go? The highway's destroyed.
No problem. I can take us somewhere far away using the Fry Smart Scooper Van.
That looks foul.
Works for me. Get in.
What are you guys doing? We are eliminated and thus must remain in our proper place of punishment. Bye. You cannot leave this location after being eliminated. The rules were made very clear at the start of the game and we must abide by the rules bestowed upon us.
Don't worry, GB. I'll endure the torment with you.
I'm sticking with Nickel.
We're gonna have so much fun.
I am now considering the defection.
Rise, go, before Bozo Brainiac comes. Turn the thing on.
Hush! We'll go when I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready. Let's go!
RAF Reserves, now recruiting for part-time roles.
Nothing helping your stomach cramps? Choose Buscopan, the UK's #1 IBS treatment. Try Buscopan.
Why do we always seem to end up underground?
Boom! New place! Yay!
Oh, great, Fries. You dug to the opposite side of the world.
No, I didn't. The oil land is right over there.
Challenge time! Spin it!
I don't wanna. It's bedtime.
You snooze, you lose. I feel like we have to ask this every time. What does that mean?
So, your goal is to turn on beacons to light up the night sky. Each player has 3 beacons, one at the top of each tower. These beacons are so bright, they'll light up the night. You'll have to race to each tower and turn on your own beacon. Then move on to the next tower. The first person to turn on all 3 of their beacons and light up the sky with their own emblem wins immunity. Ready, set, go!
Shove!
Hey!
You snooze, you lose.
Without a team to lead, he's gone rogue. We should all team up against him.
Nope.
Ow! Ow! First to the top. Sweet. Bye, GB.
Wow.
Oi, watch where you're falling. Don't you dare trip me.
Oh, wasn't planning to. If we're quick, maybe we can catch Fries. Ow! Oh, that's it. Yeah!
Haha. Yes! And those 2 X-Smarters are way behind.
Not really. We're pretty close now.
Oh, well, how about this? Whee!
Now, what's going on here?
Bam! Bye!
Finally, all those stairs sure worked up a sweat.
Finally.
Okay, I mean, it wasn't that hard.
Oof, ow, gosh, ouch, oof, ah!
Huh? Ah! Run, stupid!
I am running! Just worry about yourself! Ooh, oh, oh.
Yes, back down I go.
Everyone has their first beacon switched on and is heading for their second, except for Book, who has none. I'm trying! Ah! She's gonna crash! Oh. Huh? What was that?
All right, now on to...
Somebody save me!
I'll go for that tower first. Ooh, elevator, easy.
How long is this stupid staircase? Hey! Since when was flying allowed?
Dispatch, I'd like to report that I, Coiny, am winning. 2 out of 3. Awesome. Let dispatch know that I, too, am still in it to win it. I'm not actually talking to anyone. I know, but it's just nice to hear the words. Fine. Dispatch, I'd like to update you on the status of Book. Ow!
She's doing horribly.
Hi, TV. Interesting strategy. I'm starting to like this vicious, violent version of you.
Huh? Where am I?
Top of the radio tower.
Oh, thank goodness. I had no idea how I was gonna climb all those ladders. Yay! Now I'm in the lead!
Tied for the lead with me.
Hey!
Oh, wow, I'm the first one here. Just one more light and I win for myself. Huh, winning for myself.
Hey, Needle! Can you bring the elevator back down? It's the only way up the tower.
Oh, right. Okay. All yours.
Thanks, Needle. Glad you're still looking out for the bunch.
Huh?
You know, because I'm about to win once I get to my third beacon. But as long as one of us wins, it's like the whole bunch wins. And I'm sure everyone will love this act of sacrifice.
Act of sacrifice? I'm done with that nonsense.
What?
I think it's time I win for myself.
Yahoo! Who? If she gets to the switch, she wins.
Why?
What? I want to win.
Well, can't argue with that. You're on.
I'm sick of tumbling! Oh, actually, this works.
Another astonishingly unimpressive performance, Buck.
Tennis ball knocked me off the tower.
Your spatial awareness is severely lacking. It's crazy how oblivious some people can be of their surroundings.
Why isn't this working?
You'll have to throw more than that to stop me.
Okay.
Huh? Whoa. Oh.
I didn't have that much to throw.
Huh. Well, in that case...
Wait, still got this. Okay, now I'm out.
What is wrong with you? Stop!
Now you're stuck. What are you gonna do now, Needy?
For some reason, I feel like I'm 10 times heavier than usual.
Hey, I am not 10 times heavier than you.
Oops. Book? Here to ride my coattails, only to stab me in the back once again?
Okay, when have I ever done that to you? Also, you literally threatened me with a knife.
Well, it sure felt like you were brutally murdering me when you didn't let Ice Cube come swing with...
This again? Can we just move past this?
Why don't you move past this?
Whoa, that's crazy. Anyway, just gotta get up that tower and I win. Where's the elevator? Gotta wait for it to come back down, dude.
But that won't matter because I'm about to win. Immunity for me. Whoopee.
Yes! Finally got one. Whoa!
Huh? Hey, you can't just turn off my beacon.
Sorry, Tennis Ball. I'm in the middle of something. Just give me a sec.
Grrr. Hey, hosts. They're breaking the rules. They just turned off my beacon.
Well, technically, we never said you weren't allowed to turn off each other's beacons.
Wait, really?
Hey! Oh, so that's how we're gonna play? Fine.
Oh, so that's how it's gonna be.
Grrr! Oh, that is it!
Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Hey!
Hey!
Hey!
Wait, guys, why don't we all just agree to not turn off each other's lights?
I'll think about it. Nah.
Grr! I think we all know there's only one solution. I'll have to lock the switches in place.
Faster than everyone else.
Stop everyone from getting to the tower.
Sabotage the other lights.
I got nothing.
Murder everyone.
Oh, actually, yeah, I'll do that too.
At Amazon, you'll find stylish offers. Find thousands of great daily deals on Amazon.
Let's do this! Out of the way, Fries! I'm gonna need that elevator.
No!
What are you upset about? She's not actually a free smarter.
You're not actually a free smarter.
That was easy. Who's next?
Not this again. Fries, you don't scare me anymore. I like to say that I'm much more bold and courageous than I used to be.
Help! Ooh, I can help.
Oh, thank you, Pin!
I can help.
Kill you. You have an ugly soul.
Ack! They're approaching! How do I stop them from getting up here?
Dodge!
What a...
Oops! Didn't mean for anyone to die. But at least you can't get up.
And you can't get down.
Darn!
Phew! Well, thanks for obliterating Fries. Now nobody's gonna be murdering the adorable me. This is why no one likes you anymore.
Oh no! Gelatini! Our beloved T-Beanie who was burninied by that meanie Pinini.
What?
Pin killed Tennis Ball. We gotta recover him.
On it!
Gotta get back!
Yay! Oh, weird.
Gotta get back!
Yay! Thanks, my Yoilite retrieval crew.
Oh, I think you dropped this.
Oh, we actually don't really want that. Great.
Go win it, TB.
You got this! Hi, Fries.
Whoa, 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 whoa! You two can't recover, TB. That's interfering.
Says who?
Golf Ball said we can't interfere with the challenges.
Since when did we listen to that, bozo?
Wait, you're right. Let's recover Needle. Free Smart. Activate Wheel Formation. Okay, here goes. Whoa. Hey, this is working.
Whoa, the elevator's here? Noise! Coiny's riding the elevator and is about to sabotage my only activated beacon? This is unacceptable!
What? I might actually win.
Should we, like... Sabotage Book's beacon? Sabotage Book's beacon, yeah. Anyway... Don't even think about it! Oh, you wanna fight, huh? Well, how about this? Oh. We missed. Let's try that again. 3, 2, 1, go! Yay!
Yay! The Needleifier's back! Hi, Fries! I see your spirit's still alive and well!
What?
You know, since you died with piles of Yoilite in your head last episode, it's allowing you to recover yourself!
Oh, I just thought I was really cool. Whatever.
What? You guys came all the way over to recover me? I thought I wasn't a member.
But you are totally awesome!
Yeah, come on, back to the challenge. Activate Top Formation.
I don't want to climb that again.
Then don't. You can lose and I'll win. Just stop being so needy.
Don't call me.
Oof. Ow. What? Ow. 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 Yay! There. Now no one will be able to turn off my switch. And while we're at it, now they're all taped together.
Oh, sorry, Ten. Oh, why are they all taped together?
You can't turn on one without turning on everyone's.
Oh, okay. Might as well spread the love.
Whoa, who turned on my beacon? That means I only have one left to go.
Wait, our lights were turned on? What am I driving up all these stairs for?
This again.
That was scary, but good thing this sharp mechanical pinhead broke my fall. And Fries died too.
Pin died? Is anyone gonna recover her?
Yeah, good one. I don't wanna.
Absolutely not.
Fine. I'll do it.
Needle, stop! We're the only two non-saboteurs here. Perhaps we could work together.
Non-saboteurs? Didn't you just try to shut off my beacon?
Well, yes. But generally, I'd say I'm pretty cordial and kind-hearted, don't you think?
Sorry, TB, but I'm playing for me now!
Wait, Needle! Give me that!
Tennis ball, you villain!
Sorry, Needle, but if you aren't working with me, then I feel like I have every right to prevent you from winning immunity in any way possible, but regardless, I'm sorry!
Pin! We gotta... Hi, Fries. We gotta get back quick!
Rocket time!
Awesome! Maybe there's still time to get my third beacon before someone else gets to my other ones.
First off, gotta turn on my beacon and shut off coinies.
Dang it!
If you were trying to win, then you shouldn't have recovered me.
What?
And now, I need to prevent these levers from being pulled again. My last attempt didn't seem to work, so maybe I just need to be a bit more vicious. Wow! This chunklet of nickel will serve as a perfect electrical conductor. Now, if anyone attempts to tamper with the beacons, they'll be in for a shocking revelation.
Needle, what happened to you?
No time to talk. I gotta get to the watchtower.
I'm making myself wings. I could make you a pair, and then we can both... Okay, or just jump off the roof, sure.
Yes! Hey!
Ah! I'm sorry. 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 I'm sorry.
What's going on with you, Needle?
Turn off TV's light, quick!
You don't need to tell me twice! Ow! What?
Haha! Were you shocked? That's what you get for underestimating my clever brain. You have no way to hinder me from that tower. Well, hey! I can't complete my emblem like that. Cheaters!
Anyway, what are we gonna do about our levers? TV's got them supercharged.
Not as supercharged as me.
In an unexpected turn of events, everyone is now tied up with 2 out of 3 beacons lit up. It'll be a race to the final tower to see who'll win.
Nice job, Pin.
Darn, that was only supposed to flip my switch.
Whatever. Let's go quick.
Oh no! Without the elevator, how are we gonna get to the 3rd tower?
Hey, you two, need a lift?
Oh, that'd be wonderful.
No.
Can't see. Ah!
Why did you do that? She was going to help us!
It was funny.
How are we gonna get out of here now? We can't just jump out of here.
Or can we? Yes! Victory will be mine! We gotta climb, Pin.
I am well aware.
It's a mad scramble to the top of the tower. Whoever gets there first is sure to win, and it's still anyone's game.
Well, except for Prize, who's dead.
I wonder how many times I can do that. Anyway, everyone's climbing the final watchtower. That is absolutely, unforgivably, insurmountably, beyond unacceptable! What? Anyway... That was insane! You good, Pin?
Got to get to the finish! Run!
Hey, hold up, Pin.
Who's gonna get to the top first?
Help me! Ow!
Sorry, Needle.
Huh?
Come on, let's go.
Oi, okay.
Wait! Ah!
Wow.
Oh, great.
Pin, help me up! Pin? Pin, You can't leave. I recovered you. I got you your face back. I. Stop! I dug to the center of the earth for you! Hey, Pinhead, catch this!
Thanks. Ha! Yes.
Pin has lit up the sky with her emblem, which means Pin has won immunity. Vote for any of the other 5 contestants by going to the description to rate their videos.
The one with the most likes wins a prize, and the one with the most dislikes is eliminated.
See you all in BFTIA 19!